In this quick video, I'm just going to show you like how you can create a free logo for your website or for your business. And if you watch this complete video, end of the video, you will get up to $400 coupon absolutely free, because I will show you how you can claim this. To create the logo, first of all, you have to search in Google Designevo this thing, and you have to open this website. And if you see here the homepage, then as you can see, it's super easy and super simple something. As you can see, they're searching here and templates, and they can directly implement the templates. And in a template, we can change here the name, we can change here the icon, we can change here the subheading. Everything we can change here, okay? And if you scroll down, then we get to see here some templates in available. Like if you something gaming logo, you can something cool logo, you can something football logo. Everything you can find out here, okay? Since we are new in here, first of all, I have to create an account in here, and I already have an account and I already log in here to create a logo. So here's the top option, make a logo, or you can just come here, this option, and you can search here which type of template do you want to make. Or let's click on make a free logo. Just click on the button. For example, I just wanna make in here this logo. So in here it's a two option, a similar and customize. That means you can customize it and you can make something similar. Let's click on similar button, then you will get something similar types of logo. Then you can download, and also you have some keywords you can specific something. If you want to find out, then you can find out from here. So I'm just going to customize this logo. Just click on the customize option, and then you will be redirected on the edit page, and now you can customize everything. For example, I just want to change the color, so I just click on the icon and I can change here the color into something black or white. If you want to put anything else, then you can. And here's the heading or the logo name. You can put here your name. So I'm just going to put here Expat Aussie, and here's the slogan. You can put here something whatever you love, or yeah, well, like we can type here. And one thing I just forget to share with it, like if you click on here the text, then you will get to see here font. Here's the font size, here's the color if you want to change anything. And if you want to put any custom color, just click on the plus icon, then you can put here the color code, or you can change whatever you just want to make. So let me go to make it like black, that is us, and you can make it bold. If you want to make something, then you can make it bold. And if you want to make it uppercase or lowercase, now as you can see it's lowercase. It's not lowercase, it's something simple. And you can make it uppercase, then you can make it from here. Here is some other option like make it opacity. If you want to make it outline, then you can make it from here. You can change also the color here, and I don't know, and here is the shadow and glow. If you want to put something, then you can put it from here. And here is some other option, you can make it center. It's called alignment, I think. So you can put it spacing if you want to add something more. Here's the line height, and here's the curve something. So if you want to make something curved, then you can make it from here. Curve means, if you see here, now we cannot, but let me show. Okay, so this is basically the curve. As you can see, this is called the curve. Okay, so let me delete it. Basically I don't really need, I just want to make it simple something, okay, like this. So this is the final logo. And if you see here this left side, it's have icon. Then if you want to find out some specific icon, then you can find out. Okay, for example, it's have search option, or if you have specific something, then you can select from here. So when I click on crown, then I can, as you can see, I get lots of things. So I don't really put it something, but if you want to put something, or if you want to make something custom, I will show you the next time how you can make custom logo. But I'm just showing you now editing the template. So here's the text option, you can add a new text. Here's the shape option, you will get lots of shape, and you can add a new shape if you want then. And here's the background color. If you want to change the background color into other, then you can make it from here. Okay, and if you see here the bottom, in bottom it's have something, you can make it center, you can make it something different layout. It's all the layout is available. And here is something, you can zoom in the logo, you can zoom in out. Here is this custom size. If you want to make it something different, for example, I want to 200 into 500, then this is the 200 into 500, as you can see. And here's the grid option. If you want to put any grid, then you can add some grid in here. And if you click on the preview option, then you will able to see all the preview. As you can see, this is here, this business card, here's the books. This is not regular books, but it's an, I don't know, the name is letter or something, or passes or something, I don't know. Here is this cover, and here is this website logo. Here is the, the t-shirt, right? Shirt, t-shirt, yeah, right, t-shirt. Here is this directly webinar. So I hope guys you can see the preview also. And if you want to save it, then you can just click on the save button to save it. And here is the setting option. but in setting nothing is available. Here is the live chat option, and here's the download option. Let's click on download button. But when you click on download button, then you will get to see here basic and plus. In basic, it's offering some feature, and the plus, it's offering some feature. I'm not going to the pro version because I want to download it for free and I want to use it for free. So just click on here this download button and download and agree. And one thing, they just tell us that yeah, you have to mention that you just download the logo from our website. It's must be, it's must be. They already saved that. So if you click on here, basically we are getting in a zip file, and you have to unzip here the file. Then you will get in a folder. Inside of the folder, you get the logo like JPG and PNG format logo. So I hope guys now we understand. Now let me go back again here, the Designevo, or just go to template, because I want to show you something from scratch. If I make something, then how we can make. So now in here some other logo, and here is the my logo that is recently saved, and here is the plus icon. Okay, so to create a custom logo, you can open any kind of template. You can open any kind of, for example, if you want to open this one, just click on here the customize option, or if you want this one, just click on here the customize option. Then you can delete all the files and you can make it from scratch. So now let me delete here everything, and let's go to the icon, and let me put it here and a YouTube icon, for example. Let me put it here YouTube icon, and you can resize it if you want, and you can fleet it if you want. You can fleet in vertically, fleet in horizontally. You can do it. If you want to change it to color into something white or something other, then you can make it from here. Okay, and let me put in a text, and I want this type of text. So when I click on here, then I get to see like this, and let me put here my name Expadazi, and let's drag and drop here and just make it a little bit, resize it, and let me increase here the size, the font size. So I get like this type of thing, and let me change here the font color into white, and I get like this type of. Okay, and now if I want to download here the logo, then I can directly download from here. And if you want to change it to make it something custom, for example, I need 210 into 50, this type of logo, just click on apply. Then you will get to see like this, and now you have to resize everything. For example, let me resize it like this, and let me go to here and just resize it also, and now just resize it from here. Okay, so now as you can see, we can make a custom logo for our website, and this is for my website, and I can directly download it from here. And if I make it change the transparent background, then I can make it transparent background. As you can see, they already give us this option for making transparent, so I don't have to move on their premium subscription. I can directly get it, because they are saying us you can download maximum 300 into 300 PNG logo without transparent background. So we can add transparent background in here, and now we can just see the preview, and we can see everything. Okay, so I'm not going to download it here. We can see the preview. As you can see, we can see the preview in here. Okay, so I hope guys now we can make the custom logo now in here. And now let's talk about the premium membership, how we can claim the premium membership. Let me go to the my logo, then you will get to see this type of premium logo. So now let me show you how you can claim the coupon, or how you can buy the these templates. So to buy this, for example, I love this one. Okay, so I just click on here this customize button, and I change here the text, and when I successfully change the text, I just wanna, okay, so everything is okay now. So let's click on a download button. Then you have to select about like which one do you want. Basically, let me tell you, get a little bit idea about about this feature. It's about something like, let me go to and show you this one. So if I click on edit button, I already purchased here this plus one, and in this logo I already purchased this plus one. So what happened, I can customize it. It's up to me. If I want to customize it 100 times, I can customize it 100 times. If I want to make something custom logo, I can delete all, and I can make my own custom logo with high quality. It's better, I think, if I show it from scratch, right? So let me remove here this, and now let me purchase this one, this plus one. And you guys, like, you have to do comment. If you comment, then I'll just randomly pick you guys, and then you'll just send you some coupon code. I will tell you end of the video. Now let me show you how it's gonna work. So if you want to buy the plus one, then you can choose here the plus, and then it's showing like Visa and PayPal. How do you gonna pay them? So to download we have to pay first of all, then we can download. So I have to choose here this have coupon because I already have the coupon. Let me put here the coupon, and who will win the coupon, you can follow the same thing. Okay, so let me click on it to redeem the coupon code, and as you can see my total is $00. It just reduced now, and let me click on here the download button to download it, and I download. Let's click on download button to download it, and I successfully downloaded. Okay, and let's go to show finder, and now I get this file in here, and I just double click into this, and then you will get to see we get lots of file. We get the font name, which font to use in the logo, we will get like transparent, we get a logo JPG, we get a PNG. We also get here the high quality, high resolution files also, and we also get the vector SVG and vector PDF. That means in plus option we get lots of things and lots of. But let me now go back to the template, and now let me go to the my logo, and now let me recently we buy this one, right? So let me click on this edit button here, the edit button. Now let me customize this logo from here. I just did here this icon, and I just wanna put it something rocket. So I wanna put something like which one looks better. I think this one looks perfect. So let me put here Expadazi, middle of the space. I just wanna put here the logo in here. So let me put it here space, and let me add here this rocket on here, and now let me increase here this one. I think it's perfect now, and now let me make it like this, and let me change here the color into like white, and as you can see this is my logo now, Expadazi. And now let me click on download button. Then as you can see I get all the file, like all the premium resources. If we go to the finder, and if I click on here, and if I go to here, as you can see we're getting the premium, all the things. Okay, so I don't have to pay them every single time, so I just pay them one time, or if you have a coupon, then you just claim the coupon one time, and you can update it multiple times. How much you just need, you can just customize it as you wish. Okay, so I hope guys now you understand about this plus or free membership things, and now let me share with you guys like how we can claim the coupon code. So to claim the coupon code, you have to do one thing. First of all, come in here to the video, and you have to write in a comment like nice, or you have to say something about this Designevo, what you just want to say about this, and you can just type whatever you just want and just make a comment. And when you successfully do comment, you have to do another thing. You have to come here, check my video description, and I already provide you on my Facebook page link. So you have to go to my Facebook page, and you have to send me your name and your email address. Then I can send you the coupon code via your email address. And one thing, one coupon code you can use it 5 times, and one coupon code or one template value, you know, it's almost $50. So 5 coupon codes is almost $400, and 10 people will get this. So what I will do when I mean the 7 days later, I will make another video. I will just randomly pick you guys, you all, and I will send them the coupon code via your mail, or I will give you reply from my page, and I will share with you the coupon code. So you have to follow this step. First of all, comment on my channel. Also, you have to do subscribe my channel, and secondly, you have to send me a message on my here Get WP Expert this page. Send the message, your name, your email, just 2 things. Okay, then I will find out you. I will find out you, and I will send you all the details via your email. Okay. So if you really like this video, please click on this like button that you like, and also subscribe my channel. Or if you want to support me, then check my video description, because I will provide you buy me a coffee and Patreon link. Then you can directly support me through there. Or if you want to hire me for your project, then please contact with me via Facebook page, or check here our website Get WP Expert. Or if you want to make anything, logo, banner, website, anything, just text me on our Facebook page. Okay.